привыкли, что в Казахстане люди считают, что Нурсултана Назарбаева за рубежом знают практически все. Вот сегодня я проверю, знают ли иностранцы, кто такой Нурсултан Назарбаев. Так что поехали. Do you know this person?
I don't.
You've never seen him? So what do you think, so from your perspective, who is he? Maybe his job? You mean politician? Yeah, he might be. So is he from China? Where is he from? What do you think?
Мне не нужна судьба иная, мне ни на что не променять.
He's president. Wow, you're right. So what country? You don't know. Maybe China? I'm kidding.
Горчит как темное пиво, работает бессистемно.
Do you know this man? Yeah. You're laughing, you know something about him? Is he? He's Asian, you think, yeah? Who is he? Maybe he is a Chinese actor. No? No. Okay. He's not from China. He's not from China, yes? What does it mean?
I mean, is he from Japan or?
Ah, ribbon.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, he's not Japanese. Yes. So you've never seen him?
Я Назарбаев. Я Назарбаев.
I don't know. I don't know.
Not
because
too-
if I make it very short, you says, bro, why you make it very short? If I keep it long, you says to me, why you keep it long?
So I don't know the gradation. I mean, what
Next
does it mean?
time-
Number two, what does it mean?
No, this is your beard.
Yes.
You want a half of that? Shorter?
Yeah,
Half of that.
half of that.
Okay.
Now it's much better.
Yes.
I look like Russian revolutionary.
Good, good.
Hi, what's your name? Alejandro. You're from Argentina?
No,
No?
Spain.
Oh, that's great. Do you know this person? Can you recognize him?
What? No, I have no idea who is.
So you've never seen him? You don't know him?
No, not really. Why? He's an important guy.
Yes,
He's supposed to be.
yes, he is.
If you say me that I'm from Argentina, he's supposed to be an Argentinian guy.
No, he's not
He's
Argentinian.
not Argentinian.
Yeah.
Who is?
So you don't know, yeah? You've never seen, have no idea.
I don't know.
Okay.
A political guy or something.
Yes, you're right. He's politician. Yeah. Have you ever seen him? This man. Yeah.
Is it only one for you?
Yeah. You don't know him. What about you?
Do I know him?
Yeah. Do you know him? Do you recognize him?
Why are you going? Who's that?
Is he an actor?
Does he look like actor?
This one he looks like he's in a movie, but that looks
Oh,
like
interesting. Yeah.
he's like a politician.
Yeah.
You doing a selfie?
Yes, he's a politician. But you don't know him, eh?
No,
That's a pity, man. You should know him.
Who is he?
He's the president of Kazakhstan. Yeah. You wanna be president of Bulgaria? Why? You're not ready, yeah? But you will. If you become president of Bulgaria, call me. I'll help you. Вы, наверное, подумаете, что никто не знает нашего президента. Нет, на самом деле, я немного в шоке. Чувак из Уэльса, узнал его. Ну, он, конечно, как бы по имени его не знает, но он его видел по телеку и, в общем, вы сами все увидите. What's your name?
My name's Michael.
Michael, I have a question. So you see the picture?
Yes, yes.
Yes. And so do you recognize this person? Do you know him?
By name, no. But I have seen him on TV a couple of times, and I can tell you that this is the president of Kazakhstan.
This is the president of Kazakhstan.
President of Kazakhstan.
Oh man, you're the first man who could guess it. Yeah, really. So how do you know him?
Personally, as I said, I don't know his name.
Yeah.
But I have seen him on TV a few times.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And I've actually got a face for faces, but not for names. So I do know definitely this is the president of Kazakhstan, but I cannot tell you for the life of me what his name is.
Yeah, that's great. His name is Nursultana Nazarbayeva.
Right, okay.
Nursultana Nazarbayev, yes. So, have you ever been to Kazakhstan?
Have I ever been to Kazakhstan?
Yeah.
I have not been, but it would be somewhere that I would love to visit.
Yeah, that's good. So what do you know about Kazakhstan?
Kazakhstan, I mean, a lovely place to visit as it is. I mean, snowy mountain ranges. I mean, who can't resist a bit of skiing? You know, the place itself. I mean, the women are beautiful. You know,
So do you know the capital?
The capital is, I believe you pronounce it, Asan.
Yes, Astana.
Asan, yes?
Astana.
Asana.
Yeah,
Right.
it's a good place.
It is.
It looks like Dubai.
It does. It does look a lot like Dubai, actually.
Yes. So you want to go to Kazakhstan?
Yes, yes, I would love to visit. I'm a bit of a traveller, actually. Originally from Wales. I mean, I'm in Scotland right now, but I mean, I've been a lot of places abroad. Germany, France, Amsterdam.
Yeah, that's
Belgium.
good. So, what can you say in Kazakh language to Kazakh people? Something interesting and awesome. For instance, you can say келесі көріскенше қазақстандықтар.
Wow, I cannot say that.
You can, man, you can. келесі көріскенше қазақстандықтар.
Kazakhstan.
Okay, man.
That's the best attempt.
High five.
That's the best attempt you're gonna get out of me of
Yes,
another language.
you did well. You did well. Okay, thank you.